chapter name is fractions. So any fraction is in the form of a by b, a comma b belongs to integers. Some of the examples 2 by 3, 3 by 4, minus 5 by 6, 7 by 8. But generally you remember one thing, my dear student, this is called numerator, this is called denominator, as you know. 3 by minus 4 is there, but this is not correct. Why?
Because that becomes rational numbers, sir.
Sir, and minus symbol cannot be in the denominator.
Minus
Sir.
always you can write in the numerator. You cannot write
It
in
is not
denominator.
in the standard form.
Not in the denominator.
It is not the standard form. The standard form is always minus will be in numerator. Rishi, are you following? Please unmute yourself, Rishi. Teja, are you there?
So who is that new student, sir?
Yes, yes.
Who is new student?
He is from they are from Hyderabad. New student. Don't worry. Now,
Oh, if I log in, how it looks, I will see.
numerator, denominator, 5 by 3. What is the numerator? 5. Denominator 3, you know.
Yes.
Minus 6 by minus 5. Is it correct? What is the numerator?
Minus. So it is not correct.
Sir, if we cancel minus and minus,
Correct.
it will become 6 by
You write
5.
as 6 by 5. You can write as 6 by 5. Okay. Next term. Minus 3 by 4. What is the numerator?
Positive.
Minus 3.
Denominator?
4.
Positive. 4.
X by minus y. What is the numerator?
X.
No.
So it can't be
Minus.
sir, because minus is in
Minus
denominator.
x.
Minus
Minus
x.
x is in-
So you cannot forget the basic. What is that basic? Means always negative number. Negative should be in numerator. It is not in
Numerator.
denominator. Okay, that is the basic. Whenever it is there negative in denominator, you can write. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
can I rub this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yes, sir.
Discussing, sir.
Rishi, are you following?
850-6511.
Sir, there was a network problem, sir.
No problem. You don't use video. You can use audio. Then
Okay,
it's fine.
Password is also there. What is the password? 024.
019. Completed. Can I move to the next one?
Next one.
Yes, sir.
Disconnecting audio. Yes, to disturb me.
Oh.
Don't use this. Okay. Completed. I'll move to the
Yes,
next.
sir.
Yes. So reciprocal. Suppose 1 by a by b is there. How to write this? Reciprocal of a fraction.
A into B by 1.
B by a. Understand what I am speaking with you? 1 by a by b. 1 by x by y is there. How to write?
Y by B.
By
Y
by
by X.
Y by x. That means any fraction, if you are transferring to numerator, it become reciprocal. Okay. If it is there in denominator, if you transfer numerator, it become reciprocal. Suppose 2 by x by y is there. How to write this?
2y by X.
2.
Y by X.
Correct. 2y by x. 3 by a by b is there. How to write?
3B by A.
3 by
Okay. Now, a by b by x by y. How to write?
Sir, B by A by Y by X.
I can say to you, a by b as it is in the numerator, that you write as is into
X by Y.
reciprocal y by x.
Sir,
Correct?
I
Number one.
didn't understand.
A y by bx. When I am explaining, don't speak anyone, okay? A by b into this x by y, if you transfer to numerator, what you will get? Y by x. Correct? Huh? Any fraction, if you are transferring to numerator, it become reciprocal. This x by y, if you transfer numerator, y by x. Understand? Copy this first. I will give still more examples.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Who is speaking?
Sir, Gunottam.
Sir, I also didn't understand Rishi.
You are not listening seriously what I am explaining. First you copy this, I will give more examples, don't worry. Wait a minute, okay. I'll explain once again, first you copy this. We don't have space now. Which one you didn't understand? Last one, huh?
Yes, sir, last one. A by B by X by Y.
So why should they multiply? I have a doubt.
Here we multiply now 2y.
Yes, sir.
Here also we multiplied now 3b.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Actually here also we multiplied 1 into b, 1b. But there we have different numbers, so that's why you got confusion. Don't worry, we'll give many examples for that. Complete, everyone copied?
Yes, sir.
Because if I speak even the echo will come out. Here.
1
No.
minute, sir.
Okay, don't worry.
Oh, you will get previous window. These are all in Apple, Anna. Oh, if you invite these things will come out.
No.
This is Zoom screen. Huh?
Finished, sir.
2 months I use mobile.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
I'll
Yes,
give one more.
sir.
Don't worry. 2 by 3 by a by b. How to write? 2 by 3 is there in numerator, correct? Huh? Whenever any reciprocal, any fraction, no disturbance. Voice is audible.
Yes,
I
sir,
am not
no
getting any disturbance. Pranati, I am not getting any disturbance. Maybe your surroundings, maybe check it once. Transfer numerator into b by a. So whenever you are transferring the fraction from denominator to numerator, it becomes reciprocal. I repeat, whenever you are transferring denominator from denominator to numerator, it becomes
Will become
reciprocal.
multiple.
Now multiply 2 into b, 2b,
2b by
2
3a.
into a, 3a. Don't worry, we'll give one more examples.
Sir, give both in number. They will.
3 by 4 by 2 by 3. Super example. How to write? Pranati, what happened? Why you are speaking slowly?
Sir, 9 by 8 is the answer. 9 by 8.
3 by 4 into 3 by
3
2.
by 2.
9 by 8.
9 by 8.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Satyapriya, are you there? Vinod, are you following? Gunotam, Utsav,
Yes,
Runil,
sir.
Bhuvan?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Because your voice is breaking.
Vinod, your voice is not clear.
Yes, it is
Why,
breaking.
I didn't speak anything. Oh, Gunotam voice. Okay.
Sir, Vinod's voice, sir.
Okay. Make when I'm explaining, keep everyone mute. Okay. Don't keep unmute. Then my voice is audible clearly. Next one. X by y by y by x. What is the answer?
Sir,
2x by 2y.
2x by 2y.
X square by Y.
Correct.
Sir, x
2x by y.
x square by y square.
Y square.
Correct now, everyone?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Rishi, are
Sir.
you following now? Okay.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Utsav, you are also following? Gunotam?
Yes, sir.
Next. Tejaswini, are you following?
Yes,
Tejaswini?
sir.
Next question. I'll give some numbers to you. Minus 3 by 2 pi.
Sir, can you give
Minus
another
9 by
option, sir?
5.
Minus 15 by 18.
Minus 15 by minus 18.
Minus 18, sir, that is
15 by 18, sir.
15 by 18.
Wrong answer.
Then get cancelled.
No, you need to cancel. There is a rule.
15 by 18, sir.
The rule is compulsory. You need to cancel. Okay.
Sir, it is 5 by 6. Sir,
When
we
Yes,
sir
3
when
by
we transpose, sir, minus 5 by 9, no, sir.
minus cancel.
Sir, it is 5 by 6.
5 by 6, sir.
5 by 6, sir.
Everyone said first 15 by 18. 15 by 18 is nothing but 5 by 6.
5 by 6, sir.
Yes, sir. We should just cancel it.
So there is a rule in the fractions compulsory. You need to cancel. You cannot write without cancellation.
We
Understand?
should simplify that.
Compulsory. You can simplify.
Yes, sir.
Understand what I am speaking with you?
Yes, sir.
Pardon, Rishi?
तुम्हें कर डालो तुम्हारे ये होते हैं मीटिंग में
I transferred minus 9 by 5 to numerator. It become 5 by minus 9, correct? Minus get cancelled. Minus cancel means it become plus. 3 in 9, 3 times cancel. Numerator 5, denominator 2 3s are 6. Understand?
Yes, sir. That's in the
The denominator should not be negative, no, sir.
That's why I cancel no numerator and denominator minus I cancel no.
Sir, then 5 should have a negative sign, no, sir.
No need to send because numerator already minus is there, minus cancel. That's why I given before one example, minus 3 by minus 2, what I said, minus cancel 3 by 2, correct?
Okay, sir.
One only asking no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, after multiplying also we can cancel, no, sir.
After multiplying also you can cancel, but why to write extra steps?
Yes, sir.
To waste energy. Because you are a foundation student, that means you are focusing on IIT or NEET. You need to go with the shortcut. Shortcut means less steps. Less step means write very less steps. I mean, initial only you can cancel the things. Next question. Don't shout out, say correct answer. This is question number 1. Question number 2. Y square. Try
Sir,
these two questions.
sir, x square by y cube.
I'll mute
X square by y cube.
I don't want anyone say answer. You can raise your answer or in chat box you write your answer. Both question answers.
Where we can write answer.
Chat
Can you
box.
show me?
Chat box. You can type.
Okay. Somebody is typing. Part he has written. X2 by Y3.
Wrong answer, Pranil.
How come X2? Square will come, right?
I explain that is Pavan.
Then here,
Pranil, that is wrong. I cannot say what is that answer. Pranil, you don't send to everyone. You can send to only me. You can select there me. While sending the chart, you can select me only.
Okay. Send to you means like it will comes to you only. Hi.
First one you say answer, everyone. First.
You got answer. Okay, like that. Okay.
Satyapraya, first one answer. You said. Yes. Correct answer. Correct answer. Tejashvi, correct answer.
I cannot.
Praniti, you need to simplify. You cannot say that answer. I already said to you very clearly that you can simplify and simplified answer only we can say. Correct now. Without simplification, you cannot say answer anyone. Correct, Satyapriya, correct answer. Gunotam, you need to simplify. Second one answer, first one answer, we know the wrong. Check it once again, first one answer. Gunotha, no correct. Gunotha, no wrong. Because you forgot minus. Pranati, no correct answer. Correct answer, correct answer. Perfect, super, nice. I'll explain to you everyone for you. Once again, I see minus 5 by minus 6 into minus 4 by 3. As you know that minus minus get cancelled here and here. That minus always there. 2 table 2 times and 3 times. The answer is 5 2s are 10 with minus outside by 3 3s are 9. Yeah, I can give some more problems, Gunatham, don't worry. Like second question answer. Second question answers, how many set answers? No, wrong answer, Tejashvi. You need to say correct answer. Second one answer, you need to say properly. Pranil, the second one answer is correct. Correct answer, Pranati. Correct, Pranil, it is correct. I cannot say answer because everyone is trying, no. Just I can say correct or wrong, that's it. Wrong, Bhuvan.
Y by y.
Bhuvan, you forgot one small thing there. It is visible to me clearly. Cancellation. Simplification. Correct?
Y goes. Y goes. Yeah, Arun. Oh, Chetan, no, answer.
Now I can explain for everyone. I'm giving them. Why is the answer? Correct answer, Bhuvan.
Y cube, somebody has.
No, Tejashvi wrong. See, x by y into y square by x, correct? If you transfer numerator, reciprocal will come y square by x. Now I can cancel y square and y. X and x. What is answer? Y only, no? Yes or no? Why you confuse yourself? Sir, still I didn't understand. No problem. I'll explain one more time for you very clearly. X by y into y square by this step you understand very clearly. Transfer to numerator, reciprocal will come. After that, for your clear clarification, y square means y into y, correct? By x. Now xx get cancelled. Y get cancelled. What is left? Only y is left. Correct, no? Understood? Tesh, got the answer? Rishi, you are not sending any answers to me. Rishi, you are not sending. Utsav also, you are not sending answers. Rishi, you send. Why you did not understand, Rishi? Ashta, my voice is not audible now. Rishi, you can unmute and say, what's your doubt? Oh, I disable unmute. That's why you are. Understood? Good.
Sir, I understood this, sir. Can you give more problems?
Yeah, definitely I'll give. This one completed now. Pardon, Vinod? See, okay. You are using morning since morning, so many classes, so that's why your internet is slow. That's why I use only my audio. That's why I can unmute everyone. Okay. Next question. You can type anything you want to speak. Now, next question. Can I move to the next question, all of you? minus 6 by minus 5 whole divided by 8 by 7. Question number 2. A square by B square by minus B by A. Okay, Rishi. He asked one question. No, I did hear.
Not Vivekananda.
Gunatham, 21 by 20 A cube by B cube with minus. Minus we can say numerator now. 21 by 20. Correct everyone. Very good. Rishi, correct. Minus 6 by minus 5 into 7 by 8. Minus minus get cancelled. 6 3 times so 4 times so. 3 7s are 21 by 20. Correct. How 42? 42 by 40 you can say 21 by 20 no? Satyapriya, I already said, again you forgot. Always you can say the simplification answer. Correct Pranati. Correct Tejasvi. Correct Bhuvan. First one correct. Rishi, you cannot use minus minus symbol. Minus minus cancel again. Okay. Arshita correct. Vinod correct. Minus 21 by 20. Gunatham, check it your answer once again. Hey Pranil, why you got 48 by 35? No. In the fast you are doing now, that's why you are doing mistakes.
We cannot work.
You can also.
Where?
No, I disabled.
But it will be visible to all screens.
No, we
See, that's
it's okay,
why
Gunatham.
I want two screens in the cell phone. Down on the notepad or something.
Correct. A square by B square into A by minus B. A into A square A cube. Minus will transfer to numerator always by B cube. That's it. No cancellations here. Correct now? Gunatham, you can unmute. I already given chance to you unmute.
Yes, sir. I also got minus
Sir, I
8.
have a doubt, sir. Sir, how to type in type power, sir?
How
Sir, we
to?
can only say cube or square, or we can also type to the power.
Say is not possible, or else you can. I can understand even if you are not using power also. It is their option, no?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Keyboard site is in Word document or Google Docs, sir. Not in keyboard.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, ask your doubt.
Sir, how it becomes b to the power 3, sir?
B square into B, how much? It is nothing but B power 1 now.
And multiplying we need to add the
B
power.
square means B into B. One more B. How many times B is there? 3 times, no? So B cube. Correct? Huh?
Sir, we should cancel minus sign there, sir.
I
No.
transfer to numerator. Cancel. When cancellation possible? Only 2 times minus is there.
Only
Cancellation.
one minus sign is there.
Only 1 minus sign is there. That too in denominator. That's why I transfer to numerator.
Numerator.
I given many questions, even though small mistakes you are doing, so still more 2 questions I can give. Okay, don't worry.
Yes.
Bhuvan got the correct answer. Bhuvan only 3 times you wrote answer. Why?
Sir, is it minus a to the power 3, sir?
Yes, minus a power 3 by b power 3. Understand?
Yes, sir. Question.
Oh, yes, sir. Next one.
Sir, option C.
No, I can give normal questions. So, why, dear?
Yes, sir.
Those questions are interesting, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you know answer, it is interesting. Next. Minus x square by y square divided by 2x by minus 3y. Don't speak anyone. I can mute everyone. I know your logics. Only chat box. Do it fast. Rishi, again you are saying the same. Simplification possible, you can do simplification. After that only you can say the answer. Okay. After simplification only you can say the answer.
क्लास में था, कंपनी में था.
Correct answer. Satyapriya, still more simplification possible. Up to which table? Harshita, correct answer.
इंशाल्लाह.
Tejasvi, still more simplification possible. We know still more simplification possible. Bhuvan, still simplification possible. Why you are forgetting Bhuvan to cancellation? Pranati, correct answer. Gunottam, correct answer. I didn't find Pranil answer. Where is the Pranil? Pranil, what is your answer? Pranil, now, once again you cross check it. Bhuvan, correct answer. Second one, Gunottam. Gunottam, where is your first answer? Satyapriya, correct now. Rishi, again you cancel. Still cancellation possible. Check into the positive or negative. Gunottam. You type it. Gunottam, correct. You only first type it. Okay. Correct answer, Tejasvi. Pranil, you can cross check it once again. Pranil, why you are telling by 5? Once check it. I'll explain to everyone. Minus 25 by 30 into 15 by 6. Once you cancellation, correct, Gunottam? 5 table in 15, 3 times. In 30, 6 times. 3 table here, 2 times. One second. Reciprocal we need to write. Minus 25 by 30 into 6 by 15, correct? Cancellation possible. 6 table 5 times. 5 table again 5 times. Again 5 table 3 times. Minus 1 by 3 is the answer. Second one. Minus x square by y square into minus 3y by 2x. 1x cancel. 1y cancel. Minus into minus plus. 3x by 2y. How many set correct answers now I can say? Not y square, it's 2y.
दूसरे भी कुछ टेंशन में था इसीलिए करनी पड़ा दुआ कीजिए
X square you can cancel now, Gunatham. Pranitha, I am not getting any disturbance, sir. Yeah, you need to cancel now, Gunatham. Pranitha, what happened? You can, I can unmute you. You can unmute and speak, Pranitha. What is the disturbance is coming?
Sir, some uncle.
I can hear someone speaking, sir.
Someone speaking somewhere. In Hindi they are speaking, no? Which language they are speaking?
Sir, don't know, sir, but some.
Even when you are writing the exam, let us assume wherever in a college level or IIT level, they are giving one center in the Bangalore. Let us suppose there besides so many disturbances are there. You are deviating to disturbance or you are concentrating on the subject like that. Okay, Marathi. Oh, Marathi they are speaking. Very good. So finally,
Sir,
what answer?
sir.
Everyone understood the problem?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have doubt.
No doubt. Very good. You have doubt? Rishi, tell me.
Yes, sir, I have doubt, sir.
Just ask your doubt. Rishi, you ask
Sir,
your doubt.
y and y cancel, no, sir.
Yes, correct.
And x minus x and x how, sir?
Where one x cancel. The 2 cancel means in that x 2 times are there. 1x I cancelled. Gunatham, you can unmute yourself and speak.
Oh, sir, nothing, sir.
Rishi, understood?
Yes, sir, understood, sir.
So square means you think always x into x. Instead of writing x into x, we can cancel directly 2.
Sir, it should be 2x by 3y, no, sir?
Hey, how?
Sir, because there is 2x and
2y only because x and x gets cancelled and 2 into
What is
y.
denominator? Denominator number is what? 2 is the denominator. So 2 will go to numerator.
But x only gets cancelled, that's why 2 into y.
Correct now?
But why does y come there, sir, in denominator? It should
What
come in numerator, no, sir.
Which one?
It gets cancelled, Rishi. It gets cancelled.
This x, one x cancel, one y cancel. Correct now? What is left? X cancel, y cancel. Numerator minus 3, one more minus x left. Minus 3x.
Minus into minus plus 3.
Minus into minus plus Rishi, that you forgot maybe.
Sir, minus into minus plus 3x by 2
2
into
into
y.
y. 2y. Correct now?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay, done.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
I cannot give any questions, so we will start this exercise today.
Sir, first one, option C.
Slow,
Yes,
slow.
sir.
Don't study. I didn't read questions till now. how you are saying answer? Give some time for me to speak. Read the question. Which of the following is true with respect to 9 by 16, 13 by 5?
Sir, the LCM is 80.
So we need not to take LCM because 13 by 5 is greater than a whole, sir. That's why 13 by 5 is greater, sir. We need not to take
Yes, sir, it is improper,
more than
sir.
a whole. Improper fraction, that's why. So second one, option B.
1 second. First, Rishi, you know the first one answer you understood? 9 by 16, 13 by 5. 13 is greater than 5. 9 is less than 6. So it is small compared to this one. C option. No?
More than a whole.
13 by 5 is more. Simple logic, no difficult.
The second one.
The next one is B, sir.
Second
Hey,
one, B.
Suhas, are you there? Suhas, is
Sir,
there?
yes, sir, I'm there. In Pranil's mobile only I'm attending.
Oh, very good, Suhas. Super. Which of the following is the improper fraction from
B.
form 12 1 by 5?
B.
Option B.
You know everyone, 5 12s are 60 plus 1 by 5. I didn't say, but 61 by 5. Rishi, you know no? How to convert?
Option B.
Everyone know, I think. Correct. Converting improper to proper. Option B. What is the sum of third question? Sum of what they are asking? 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6 plus 1 3 by 5. In rough column, I can write 1 3 by 5. 1 3 by 5 how much? 5 ones are 5 plus 3
8
by
by
5.
5.
8 by 5, sir.
8 by 5. Now we can write here 8 by 5 and we can take LCM. Okay. What is LCM? What is LCM of 4 6 5? You know about LCM?
Yes, sir, we know.
Yes, correct, we know.
3 and 5 only.
2 2s are 4 3s are 12 5s are 60.
Yes, sir, 6.
I'm very fast. In 64 table 15 times 3 is a 45.
Sir,
And 70.
correcting, sir. Sir, that is correct only, sir, what you are doing, sir. Yes,
I can do correct. I am doing some shortcut steps wantedly because you need to
Sir, the
understand.
answer is B. 331 by 60.
331 by 60. Which option?
B, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Oh,
can you show on the
330.
whiteboard, sir?
331 by 60. What is the total answer actually say? No, correct. That is mixed fraction again.
3 wholes 31 by 60, sir.
No, total how much I am asking?
Improper.
211, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 211 by 60.
If we can write 60 divided with 211, 3 times 180, 31 is left out.
Sir, it's 331 by 60 only, sir.
Mixed fraction. Okay. Improper. Okay. Correct now, everyone understood? LCM understood. Anyone have doubt LCM? Raise your hand. Anyone having any doubt, raise your hand. 60 LCM
No,
correct?
sir.
No, sir.
When I am asking only, we not said 60 LCM, correct? Tesh, understood?
Yes,
Harshita
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the next one is A.
Next one is, can I move to the next question?
A, sir.
Sir.
Option A.
Question number 4. What is the difference? Difference means subtraction, no?
Yes, sir. 13 by
15
15
by
minus
15,
11 by 35.
What is the LCM for 35 and 15?
Sir, 105.
15, 35 LCM.
Yes, sir. 15 sounds are
35 times. 5 3s are 15, 7 35.
Sir, 30.
In 105, 15 table. 7
Sir,
times, 7 13.
7 times, 35, 3 times.
Yes, 3 11s are 33. 91 minus 33. Be
58.
fast. 58 by 1. Answer is there.
105. A.
Yeah, direct answer is there. Don't write 58 by 105. 58 only. Understand? 58 by 105. Just subtraction.
The next one is B, sir.
Yes. Rishi, are you following what I'm explaining? LCM and all you understood?
Yes, sir. Understood. Third one I didn't understand. Sir.
Sir, third one was easy, sir.
Yes, sir. Both are same, I think. That is
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Rishi, third one LCM I taken, that's it. Here also LCM I taken.
Sir, he understood it, thing, sir.
Okay. Rishi, if you have doubt, you raise your hand.
Sir, there was
Next one is
network.
B, sir.
We couldn't hear that
In
one. sir.
network problem also, you raise your hand. Then raise your hand is possible. Next one. Question number 5.
Sir, can you come down?
Option B, sir.
Which of the following is a proper fraction?
The one.
Fifth question, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Which of the following is a proper fraction?
Yes, sir.
Looking at the question, you can say, no?
Option B.
21 by 23.
Option B, 21 by 23. Because 21 is lesser than the denominator. Numerator is lesser than the denominator.
Numerator greater than denominator means improper fraction.
Proper
Correct, na?
fraction.
Numerator less than denominator means proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
21 by 23 is correct. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood. I will move to the next question. What is the product of a good question? 1 by 3. I think they completed and they are going next question. That's why they're not speaking anyone.
Yes, sir. Option C, sir. Sixth one.
3 1 by 3 means 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 by 3 into multiplication.
13 by 3. 13 by 3.
13 by 4 into
13 by 4 into 7 by 8.
any terms get cancelled.
4 cancel, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
3 cancel. 13 3 here 3.
91 by 24.
So
Yes,
3
sir.
19 by 34. 24.
13 sevens are 91 by 24.
91 by 24.
Yes, sir. 3 19 by 24. Option C.
So mixed fraction they given. 24 table 91 divide. 24
Yes.
3s are 22.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 72. 19 is remaining.
3 19 by 24. Correct?
Yes, sir. 319 by 24.
Sir.
Yes, sir. C.
You can finish in 45 seconds. This question. Okay. Speed is important.
Okay, sir.
Can I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Next one is D.
Hey, Rishi, are you following? Network is good.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir. I connected to another network. That's why.
Okay. Vinod, Gunautam, you got the answer?
Yes, sir. I got the correct answer.
So got the correct answer? Satyapriya, you didn't speak today. Tejas, you got the answer?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I got. Sir.
Voice is breaking, sir.
I didn't speak anything. How it is breaking? Next question.
Sir, can you go down, sir?
Sir, can you scroll down?
Scroll down, sir.
Seventh question only, no?
Yes, sir.
Can you scroll
Guru
down?
reads
3 by 5 of the book.
Sir, the answer is 200, sir. Option B, 200.
Guru reads 3 by 5 of a book. He finds that there are still 80 pages left on the board. Read. What is the total number of pages? See,
200.
Guru reads 3 by 5. Total book contains, let us assume 1. 1 minus 3 by 5. How much?
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
100.
2 by 5 is equal to 82.
Why I consider 1 means a total book you consider
2
1
by 5 is equal to 80.
Correct.
So 1 by 5 is
5
equal to
5 minus 3, 2 by 5.
2 by 5, sir. And
Equal to 80, sir.
we need to do 80 by 2, sir.
80 by 5.
1 by 5 is equal to 80 by 2.
It is 40, sir.
40.
And we need to multiply it by 5. So we'll get the answer as 200, sir.
Okay, very good. Into X, let us assume.
1
Total number of pages in a book, I don't know. I can consider as capital A. Okay. So A is equal to this 2 by 5 transferred to right hand side, it becomes 5 by 2. Same like denominator, if we transfer numerator 5 by 2, no. Similarly, 2 here 40 times, 40 into 5, 200. I understood.
Yeah, 200.
Many of them not understood. I'll explain
Yes,
inside.
sir.
Sir, why did you take 1 minus 3 by 5, sir?
That only I'm telling. I said no. Many were not understood. I'll repeat.
Because the whole is considered as 1.
5 by 5.
Always the whole book. How many books are there?
One book.
Only 1, sir.
One book,
That's why
sir.
1 minus 3 by 5. Okay. 1 minus 3 by 5 is nothing but 3 by 5 of the book they already read now. That's why 1 minus 3 by 5. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 pending. That pending pages they given. Okay. What is A means? Total number of pages. Sir. A is nothing but total number of pages. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Copy it everyone.
Copied.
The next one is option C. Option C is the next one, sir.
In 1 minute,
Sir,
sir.
what is 1/7 of 14?
Right. Sorry. I'll wait.
Sir, can you show that?
7 liters, sir.
Pardon, Rishi?
Sir, 61, what is the answer, sir?
200 pages. No?
A question. Sir,
Sir,
can you
6
draw
plus
it?
3, 19 by 24.
6 to 1, 3, 19 by 24 no, Swas.
Yes, sir. 3 whole 19 by 24.
7th
Sir,
one is
any
B.
question can you show, sir?
Yeah, so who is asking?
Sir, Gunottam.
Gunottam, you don't have a book with you.
No, sir.
Why? Oh, you are in Mysore.
Of course, sir, I'm in Mysore, sir.
Yeah, that's why I send in the WhatsApp group now.
Yes, sir, I will see, sir.
You don't have another mobile.
Sir, I have it, I will see now.
Okay. Next question. 8th question, no? I think where is 8th question? Here only. What is 1 by 7 of 49 liters?
7 liters. 7 liters.
1 by 7 of 40.
Sir, it is very easy, sir. 49 by 7 is equal to
Option
7
C, sir.
liters.
LKG question,
There
no?
are 7 liters.
Yes, sir. Very easy, sir.
Page number 18. Next. Yes, next question. Question number
15, 1, 4 more.
9th. Indian cricket team won 4 more matches than it lost with New Zealand.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. But I worked out, I got 20, sir. Is it correct, sir?
Once again, I didn't read. You disturbed in the middle. Wait a minute. Indian cricket team won 4 more matches than it lost with New Zealand. If it won 3/5 of its matches, how many matches did India play?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Read one more time. First, you need to understand the meaning in English. No, first.
Yes, sir.
Same like previous question, 7th question, 7th model only. Indian cricket team won 4 more. You leave it 4 matches than it lost with New Zealand.
So we can take x plus 4, then
Total 1 minus 3 by 5. 2 by 5 is equal to 4. See, like this, they will ask. So 1 minus 3 by 5, first you find 5 LCM, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into total number of matches, we don't know A, is equal to 4 matches they won. Cross multiply, A is equal to 5 into, I said no,
20, sir.
4 into 5 by 2. 2 here 2 times, 2 5s are 10 matches.
Sir, it's 20.
Hey,
Sir, there is no 10, sir.
hey, there is no 10 now.
Sir, 20, sir.
20 you got, huh?
Can I tell, sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
One second. Tell me. Who is speaking? Vinod, tell me.
sir, matches 1 is equal to 3 by 5 into x is equal to
Indian cricket team won 4 more matches than it's lost with New Zealand. It won 3 by 5 of its matches, sir.
Matches
Win
lost.
3 by 5 of its matches, sir. Oh, 3 by 5
If it loses
into
3
A.
matches means 4 matches it will win.
Pardon?
2 by 5 into x is equal to 2x by 5. 3 into 2x plus 3x is
4 plus A is equal to 3 by 5, sir.
Total matches they ask, not winning matches. We find out just winning matches, sir. Okay. I will say, see. 3 by 5 of total matches. Winning is 3 by 5. 4 matches they win now into A. So A is equal to 4 into 5 by 3. Correct? Huh? Total number of matches how much?
the 20.
20, sir.
20.
Sir, I'm not understanding this. Sir.
Sir, we need to divide it by 5 now, sir.
We need to divide it by 5 actually. Once again I'll say. Vinod, once you speak with me clearly, I didn't understand of which method you used.
Sir, I use transposing method.
Tell me.
Sir, x is equal to 3x by 5. X is equal to 2x by 5. 3x is
A
equal
is
to
equal
plus 20.
3x by 5. B is equal to 2x by 5. Okay. A plus B they are asking.
Your voice is not
5x by
clear.
5. X.
Can you
Correct?
tell it?
Sir, then 3x is equal to 2x plus 20. X is equal to 20.
3x is equal to.
2x plus 20.
How you can equate like that?
Yes, sir, I think it is wrong, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand But I think 4 matches, then it lost, sir.
Indian cricket team won 4 matches. 4 more matches than it's lost with New Zealand. If it won 3/5 of its matches, total matches we don't know. Let us assume A. Okay.
2 by 5, sir. Total
3/5
matches.
of A they won.
It's the last matches, sir.
The last match
2 by
is 2 by 5.
5 matches.
3x by
Last match is 2 by 5 of A. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir. 2 by 5 of A.
Yeah. Winning match this, losing match this. If you add these two only, you will get the total answer now.
Yes, sir. Can I tell, sir?
Tell.
Sir, 3x by 5 is equal to 2x by 5 plus 4, sir.
Okay. 3A by 5 is equal to 2A by 5 plus 4. What he is supposed to say means, now I understood. Last matches plus total matches win. Correct? Huh? Last matches plus total matches win 4. 4 more they said, no, that's why.
Yes,
Still
sir.
they need to win 4 more. Then only it will 5 LCM. 2A plus 5 4s are 20. You can cancel directly 5 no problem. 3A minus 2A is equal to 20. A is equal to 20. Here one important step is there. No, this is E consider. That means 4 more. Still they need to win 4 matches. Then only they will win. That means 3 by 5 of A is equal to 2 by 5 plus 4. Then it's lost, they said no. That's why. Last how much? 2A by 5 plus 4. Understand?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Sir.
Once again I am telling, that's why you need to follow my words.
Sir, voice
You
is
need to
too
read
low,
the
sir.
question also. You have
It's
material with you.
becoming
Once again
low.
read the question. Winning how much? 3A by 5. A means total number of matches. Remember that. Winning means 3A by 5. Winning is last plus we need to win 4 matches. How many matches they lost? 2A by 5 they lost. Because 3A by 5 they win means 2A by 5 they lost, no?
Yes, sir.
Plus 4 matches they need to win. It is nothing but winning matches.
2A plus 20 by 5. Yes, sir. Understand.
Last plus
Yes,
4
sir,
matches
yes,
to
sir, I
win.
understood now. So, but why should we have 4?
Pranil, tell me.
Sir, Gunatham, sir, why should we have 4, sir, for 2A? By 5, we should
Hey,
have.
they given no in question. Plus 4. 4 more matches they need to win. They said no. Plus 4.
So, but it is given, it is not given, they need to win.
See,
It is given-
very simple. Very simple. I will give in a lively example. India New Zealand matches are there. 7 matches are there. Let us assume total. 3 matches over. If you want India series, still how many matches they need to win?
4 matches.
4 matches need to win, then it's loss. Correct?
Yes, sir.
3 matches lost. Still how many matches win? 4 matches. 3
Yes,
plus
sir,
4.
understood.
Like that. That's why I given lively example. Copy it, everyone.
Sir, why did you take 2A by 5, sir?
That only loss. See, total matches A, winning match 3A by 5 means lost match how many? How much? 2A by 5, no? 5-3 difference, how much? 2, no? 1 minus 3 by 5 you do, Rishi. That I already said in previous step, no? 5 minus 3, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of A is loss. 3 by 5 of A is winning matches. We are finding total number of matches, so that's why.
Okay, sir.
The next one is 0, sir.
Sir, no, sir, 1.
No, sir. C, sir.
Option C, 1, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't fight. I didn't read still question. Rishi completed?
Sir, next one is 1 only, sir. C.
Yes, sir.
Suhas completed?
Yes, sir.
One. Satyapriya? Pragati?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir, finish, sir, finish.
Finished, sir. That this one finished.
Gunatam over? Utsav? Next one.
This one is option D, same number.
What is the product of the fractional number and its reciprocal?
Option C.
Sir, option C, 1.
Option C is A by B. And the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? B by A.
B by A.
Both cancel. What is the answer? 1.
1.
Fractional number I consider simply A by B. Into multiplication is
Right,
into.
got
Reciprocal is
the-
A.
Product of the denominator and numerator. That's why it's the same number.
Sir, can I tell the next one, sir?
Sir, it is option C.
Option C correct
The
answer.
next one can I tell? Option C,
Option C,
27.
5 by
What should be added to
5 by
27 to
27.
make 26 by 27? I don't know how much.
6 by 27, sir.
A plus
No, sir,
26 by
5 by
27 is
27,
equal to.
sir.
5 by 27.
5 by 27, sir.
5 by 27.
Sir, yes, sir.
26 by 27.
ASU, are you following?
Yes, sir.
5 by 27.
5 by 27. Yes, sir.
Correct now?
Yes, sir.
I showed question to you clearly, everyone. What should be added to 21 by 27 to make 26 by 27 means I am adding A. A plus 21 by 27 equal 26 by 27. A is equal to 26 by 27 minus 21 by 27.
Sir, can you show
This
white
one
board?
also option C.
Unlike fractions, sir. Next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
13th one option C. Sir, because the numerator is 40, we should divide 40 by 80 and we should get 5. And we should multiply 8 by 11 into 5.
Gunatam, we have not done 12th one.
Now see 12th one. What are the fractions with different denominators?
Option B, unlike
fractions.
fractions.
One. The 13th one is C.
12th one unlike fractions.
Yes, sir. The 13th
Different
one,
denominator means unlike. Same denominator means like.
40 by 55.
Yes, sir.
13th
40 by 55. Option C.
Divide 40 by 8. We will get 5. We should multiply 8 by
What is the equivalent fraction of 8 by 11 having the numerator 40?
Sir, option C, sir.
40 by 55.
40 by 55.
Divide 40 by 8 and multiply 5 by 5. We will get 40 by 55.
Sir, are you zooming this, sir?
The 14th one option C. Unit fraction. 14th one.
Sir, option C, unit fraction.
Pardon?
15th
What's your
one,
doubt?
improper fraction.
Sir,
Option C.
14th problem.
Option C.
Column? Not visible.
Unit fraction, sir.
We can see, sir. We can hear also. We can see also.
Sir, we can hear.
1 by 9 of a numerator is 5.
Explanation.
1 by 9 of a number is 5. What is the number? 1 by 9 into A. Yes, sir.
Explanation.
1 by 9 into A is equal to 5. A is equal to 45. What is this LKG question?
This is what.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
9 cross multiply and 5 is 45.
Sir, you didn't discuss 14 and 15, sir.
14 and 15 I didn't discuss. Sorry. I explained
Sir,
directly.
15 one is like fraction. 15th one is
No,
option
13th
C.
also not completed. What?
So
Don't
13th
speak
one is-
any.
Option C. 15th is option B.
I am very sorry. Everyone is speaking. No, I am not understanding which question we are discussing. So 13th one answer. What is the equivalent fraction of 8 by 11 having the numerator 40? If anyone want to speak, speak in chat box. What is the equivalent fraction of 8 by 11 having the numerator 40? Yes. Numerator 40. 8 by 11 equivalent. Numerator 40 we need to come. How much you multiply it to 8? Into 5 by 5. Then only you will get 40 now. 40 by 55. Which option? C.
Wheelcraft, PVHC. ನಮ್ಗೊಂದು ತಗೊಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Into 5 by 5. 40 by 55. Okay.
PVHC ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕಿತ್ತೋದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Next question. What do you call the fractions which have 1 as the numerator? Unit fractions, no? B. B na? Hey Gunotam, which is B? Rishi, which one you didn't understood? Oh, I kept everyone as unmute. C is the correct answer. Rishi, what is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand the 14th one.
14th one. 14th one, it's a basic question, no? What do you call the fractions which have 1 as numerator? Unit fractions. Unit means 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. These are all unit fractions. 15th one will move. Which of the following fractions is the numerator greater than the denominator? LKG. Numerator is greater than denominator. What I said that. Hey, you can unmute and speak, nothing will happen.
For option B, sir.
Improper, huh?
Yes, sir. Because you told that starting.
Correct, Gunotam.
Sir, Pranati is asking her to admit.
Pranati,
Yes, sir, in WhatsApp.
Pranati is not there. Where is she?
Sir, I think she had internet issues. Sir. That's why she was telling some disturbance.
No, where she entered? She is not here. Now she came.
Yes, sir.
You are seeing in between WhatsApp also, na, dear students?
No, sir.
Yeah, WhatsApp,
That's
sir.
not
Message will
the
come, sir.
notification, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will give the notification. Sir.
Notification came, that's why you opened. Okay, next one. 16th one, 1 by 9, I am already over 45. I'll
Sir,
go to
how,
some,
sir? I didn't understand this.
which one? 1 by 9 into A is equal to 45. Cross multiply. A is equal to,
Understood.
sorry, 5. 9 5s are 45. Okay. Question number 17. Given P by Q is equal to S by T, which is
Sir,
the
C,
true.
sir.
Cross multiply.
Yes, sir,
PT is
C.
equal to SQ.
Option C.
Option C.
Option C. Correct answer.
Option C.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಈಗ.
PT is equal to SQ. Correct now?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Sir, correct.
Sir, can you show the next question, sir?
Sir, this is easy, sir. LKG question 18th one. Option B, sir.
B, 1 by 5.
1 by 5, sir.
ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ.
Next one.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್
1 by 5, sir. B.
18th one now.
Yes, sir. 1 by 5.
What should be added to 3 to get 3 1 by 5?
Sir,
I
very
am adding
easy,
A.
sir.
3 plus A is equal to 3 1 by 5. How much added to A will get 3 1 by 5? Substituted A.
Sir.
A is equal to this mixed fraction
3 by 3 1 by 5 minus 3.
5 3s are
1
15
by
plus
5 minus 3.
15 by 5 minus 3. Take 5 LCM. 16 minus 15. How much? 1 by 5. Understand?
Sir.
Easy, sir.
This one also easy.
The next one is option A, 51.
Okay, one second. We'll finish this.
Hey, this is also easy, sir. I think 28, sir. Option D.
We don't complete 18. Can I move to the 19th question?
Yes, sir. The 19th one is option D, 28.
Yes, sir. Option D, 28.
If you just multiply 4 into 7.
If you don't have material, you can use another phone material answers, and this one you can use.
I am doing like that only.
Okay. 4 7 by 11 is equal to x by 11. What is the value of x? LKG questions is
Yes, sir. 28, sir.
35.
Don't cancel 11 11. First you multiply 11 4s are 44 plus 7. 51 by 11 is equal to x by 11. Correct? Now cancel x is 51. Which option?
A, sir.
Yeah.
ಅದು ಡೇಟ್ಸ್
I
A
also
is the
got
right
51, sir.
Correct answer.
ಮತ್ತೆ 40
Perfect.
Sir, I didn't understand this, sir. Then.
The next column, what is that, sir?
Sir,
Yeah, SAD.
Which
We
one?
need to questions 26 and 27 referring to that alphabet.
PRASL.
19th one I didn't understand.
37.
19th one just a equated Rishi.
Sir, but I thought that is
Gunatham.
Gunatham. Just a equated and I cancel 11 11. I got x is 51.
okay, sir.
Maybe you didn't see the question.
2.5.
Okay, sir. I did multiply that 7, sir. I didn't multiply with 11.
You can add mixed fraction. No, they given mixed fraction. What is the lowest form of 12 by 30? 2 table. No, directly you can take 6 tables. 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are.
2 by 5.
Yes, sir. Option
Don't go with 2 table, 3 table, small table. Go with big table only directly.
2 by 5.
6 2s are 6 5s are.
The
2 by
next
5.
one is D.
21 na?
Yes, sir. 21 is D.
yes, sir.
Which of the following does the shaded part represent 1/3 of its whole?
Sir, option D. Because there are 3 parts and one is
1/3 means 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means total 3 is possible. Total 3 possible. Which option?
Option D.
Correct. 1/4 means A option. 1 by 2 means both B and C options. Understand? Can I move to the next one? Question number 22. I'll move to the next page for 22. How many parts should be shaded in the figure B to make it represent the same fraction as the unshaded part of the figure A?
Sir, B 15. Option B 15.
Two figures are there. How many parts should be shaded in the figure B to make it represent the same fraction as this unshaded part of the figure A? Unshaded part
Option
of
D,
figure
15.
A. Unshaded parts three are there.
15, sir.
3.
15, sir.
Sir, we need to take it as 3 by 4, sir. And
Sir,
if
3
we
by 4 is equal to 15 by 20.
So 3 by
Total
4
here how many are there?
if we take, we will get, sir.
1, 2,
Sir,
3,
3 by 4
4
is equal to x by 20, sir.
into 5 by 5.
Yes, sir.
15 by
50
20.
by 20.
15 is answer now.
Yes, sir. D.
Sir, 3 by 4 is 15 by 4.
Hey, they said unshaded parts, how many are there? 3 are there. By
Three.
total parts 4. For only figure A, I am telling. This I am representing only figure A. Okay. Figure A, unshaded parts are 3. Total parts are 4, 3 by 4. In figure B, total 20 parts are there. Denominator represent 20 parts total. How 3 by 4 become 20? Into 5 by 5 possible. So numerator is 15. So unshaded parts are 15. Without shading only, we've got the answer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
The next one, option C.
3 by 5, sir.
Sir, next
8
one is
by
option
5, sir.
C. 8
8
by
by
5.
5, option C.
Okay. Who is saying
Because
that?
1 whole plus 3 by 5 is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to
5 by 5 plus 3 by 5.
8 by 5.
8
1
by
whole
5.
plus
Madhavi eats one full bar of chocolate. Then she divides another one into 5 equal parts and eats 3 of them. What is the total number of chocolate that she has eaten?
8 by 5.
I didn't see Madhavi. I don't know who is that girl. So I will not attend this question. You cannot say like that. Any answers, anyone?
Sir, 8 by 5.
Sir, 8 by 5.
Okay.
5 by, sir.
Madhavi eats one full bar of chocolate. Okay, 1 plus.
1 plus 3
She
by
divides
5.
another one into 5 equal parts and eats 3 parts. 3 by 5.
Sir, so it becomes 5
24th
by 5
one,
plus
option
3 by 5.
D, 11.
5 plus 3, 8 by
24th
5.
option D,
8
11.
by 5.
One chocolate already ate and again 3 parts she ate.
The 24th
Sir, I didn't understand this, sir. 23rd one.
Hey Rishi, it's a oral concept. I have 2 chocolates with me. 1 chocolate I already eaten, 1 plus. In the remaining chocolate I divide into 5 parts. In that already 3 I ate. Still, total how much I ate means 1 plus 3 by 5 now?
So that is easy. The 24th can I tell, sir?
Sir, next one is option D.
D, 11.
D,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Option D, 11.
11.
Oh my god, you are not listening my word also once again. You are speaking like that. Still I am explaining 23, you are saying 24th answer. So I muted everyone. Next question. Question number 24. Correct? Huh? How many 1/4 needed to be added? 2 to 1 by 4 to make 5. How
Sir,
many?
11.
Option D, 11.
Yes, sir.
A into 1 by 4. How many we don't know? A 1/3 need to be added to 2 1 by 4. It becomes 5. We need to find A value. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
C. Take LCM as 4. No, before that we need to rewrite properly, no?
2 1 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4.
A by 4 plus 2 1 by 4 is nothing but 9 by 4 is equal to 4. A plus 9 by 4 is equal to 5. Cross multiply. A plus 9 is 5 4s are 20. A is 20 minus 9, 11. Which option?
11.
D.
Option D.
Sir, can you show on whiteboard?
The next
Completed?
Yes, sir. Next one.
Yes,
can I-
sir.
Next one.
B.
So next one option B.
Yes, sir. Option B. 2 and 3. So we can just draw a number line and check.
Correct, correct.
Option B.
Between which two numbers does 11 by 4 lie?
Sir, it
11
is
by 4 means what is the
2 3 by 4.
4? No, not like that. 2, 3 by 4, not like that. You can find the point.
Sir,
Four twos are 8.
draw number line, sir. Number line.
2.7. 25. You know how to do division and all, you know? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0, 1, 2,
2.75 is 2 3 by 5. 3 by 4.
We can just draw in a number
between
line.
2 and 3, no?
Yes,
option?
sir. Between 2 and 3.
Option B. B.
Understood, Suhas? Tesh, understood?
Yes, sir.
2.75. Just I divided 11 by 4. I divided 4 divided 11. I got 2.75. 2.75 is between 2 and 3. Okay. So what's it?
The 26 and 27, sir.
That I cannot explain today. We'll discuss tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Nice, sir. That's all, sir.
That's it. Today's class.
Sir, can you send the recording, sir?
Yeah, I can set the recording. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Don't depending on recording. Because sometimes we'll not do recording. So attend the class only, everyone. Okay. Bye. See you, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Sir, what did you
Told about test, sir.
Sure, sure, sure.
what did you tell, sir?
Tester. Don't go anyone. Test. See, Sunday also we will take in the evening time only.
Sir, do we have test on Sunday or not, sir? Or Saturday?
Sunday test is there in the evening time after 5. After test only class will be there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Before that, you told something. Sir. What is that, sir?
About test only. Test I will give on the evening time. After that class will be conducted. Tomorrow mathematics class only. And Saturday we can take, Sunday you can take chemistry class. I'll say to chemistry sir to take the class Sunday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we have test on Sunday, sir.
Tomorrow, Sunday only test is there, not tomorrow. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank
Sunday
you.
evening. Sunday also evening only class, not morning. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. We will.
Okay,
You are
sir.
okay,
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Recording now, sir. What?
Yeah, I will send recording. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay,
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Sir.
sir.
Bye. Good night. Good night.
Freedom engineering.